profession. Yo, this is Mattibot letter works. You understand? My name is Oladimeji Akonji Oluwatobi. I'm a shoemaker by profession.
How long have you been making shoes?
Um, 10 years, 10 years ago.
What inspired your interest in shoemaking?
I'm a fashion person. I love fashion a lot. I love fashion. So there is this uncle of mine that makes shoes. So I used to go to his workshop when I was still little. So when I saw him making slippers, then I piqued interest immediately. The first day I came across him making slippers. So since then I've piqued interest in making shoes.
Are there any specific cultural elements and tradition that you incorporate in your designs when making shoes?
Yeah, of course. Like recently, most of the grooms I work for will tell us they want their ashwebi, the filler, they want it to match with what they are wearing.
Okay.
So the ashoke, the adire, the ankara, we used to infuse them in shoemaking now. So it has really,
How do you see the role of your shoes in the preserving and promoting of cultural identity?
yeah. Buy Nigeria, grow Nigeria, buy locally made so we can grow our heritage. Like now, if people are patronizing locally made shoes, especially those ones we are making with our own Ankara, Adire, Ashoke, it will go global. Lately, people from Western world will tell us they want that Ashoke vibes.
Okay.
So yeah.
Since you try to promote your craft by infusing culture in them, I want to ask, during the process of making your shoes, do you make them at the local level or you go beyond the shores of Nigeria?
We make locally, but our job is international because we sell abroad, we export. I just came back from Ghana recently. I partnered with one of my friends in Ghana. So it's globally. We don't make shoes only locally.
Do you think the current youth they have interest in your kind of work?
I would say maybe 30-40% because most of them they are not patient enough. Shoemaking is a broad craft, so most of them they are not interested. They want this 9 to 5 job. Yeah, so they are not really interested in it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you think social media has a role to play in your craft?
Yeah, 100%. Like social media has played a major role in our craft. For instance, now when you came in, this place is not a very open place, but with social media, we are able to sell internationally. You can sit in your comfort zone and buy shoes and order for whatever you want. I don't need to see you in person now, like in person to check your size. I will tell you what to do via your table and all that online. So social media has really impacted, it has helped a lot.
I would love you to drop your social media handles and your office address.
Um, on all social media platforms at Mattibot NG. Our office, plot 2, Otumba SD Adegui, Odongo Ikorodu, Lagos, Nigeria.
What would be your advice for those who want to venture into your kind of craft?
Consistency, perseverance, hard work, and to crown it all, to be prayerful.
Okay, thank you for joining us.
Thanks for having me. Yeah, these are our shoe molds. These are our shoe molds. Without this, you can't make shoes. So this is where we sketch out our patterns. This is the major tool because you have to sketch your pattern, design whatever you want to do. It's this shoe last. We call it shoe molds. We don't call it shoe last. Yeah, and this is a shoemaker by profession. Yo, this is Mattibot letter works. You understand?